All right, we're back, and we ordered another radio. I'm going to start doing more reviews of radios that I've wanted to review. The channel is getting stagnant. I'm spending too much time on non-ham related stuff. Um, so I'm trying to kind of focus more on affordable stuff that maybe new people might be interested in, or just people that just, you know, I mean, a lot of people collect HTs. I mean, like, let's face it, there's guys out there that have a lot of them. Anyway, so I'm not reviewing anything that hasn't already been like out for a while. Um, Usually, I wait until the prices drop on stuff, and then I just kind of do a review on it. And sometimes I run across some information that other people might have missed. You know, I don't get radios sent to me for free. So I go on Amazon and look and see when they're a good deal, and then I share that deal with you guys. Um, I buy the radio, I have to return it or whatever. You guys find out about it, and oh well, this guy had this problem with this radio. I also sit and I spend a lot of time reading reviews and sort of taking it with a grain of salt before I buy a radio. But we'll say this right now: I'm very impressed with the TD H3 radio. I cannot believe how small this thing is. How nice it is. It is actually, I'm surprised nobody's complained about this yet. It's heavy. And so that makes it feel like a really good radio to me. This thing could be full of lead, and I would think this is awesome. Um, when a radio is light, our brain says this can't be a good radio. It can't put out anything. Kind of like a lithium iron phosphate battery. You're like, how the hell could this battery do this? It's too light, it's too small. But in reality, it can. But this radio has the right size to weight ratio that makes it just absolutely impressive. It's actually not as small as you really think it is. It's just not wide. When we compare it to another radio, it's probably um, a little bit thinner than this one. Um, Let me give you a better example. When you compare it to the UB5R, it's actually quite a bit thicker. It's really hard to show you on this camera, but anyway, it's thicker, but it's not as wide, so it actually looks really small. I was watching a video of somebody reviewing one, and I thought, God, either this guy's got like huge hands, or this thing is tiny. Here is this one. Even this radio is bigger, but it's thinner. So because it's so small but so fat, backwards wise, with a clip on it, I don't really think you're gonna want to carry this in your pocket. But I don't know. I can't really describe to you what I like about it, other than like its appearance is just really pleasing to me. The feel of it, I mean, it feels tactical to me. Like, I don't know, like, I can't describe it. But anyway, this radio here is really, really simple to program. I actually laid in bed last night when I was supposed to be sleeping, and I turned on the Bluetooth on this. I turned the Bluetooth on my phone. I downloaded the OD Master app. I refused to sign into it, and I couldn't connect it first. And then, so like I'm looking for this on the Bluetooth on my phone, and it didn't show that it was there. But I went back into the OD Master, backed out of that, started it again, and then it detected the radio, and I connected to it, and then I went in, and I wanted to add simplex, so I channel 150 because I had 149. I scanned the radio, that was easy, and then I typed in the frequency, and I tried to click save. It says you have to be logged in. I didn't realize that was different than writing it to the radio. So I clicked right to the radio. It wasn't working. I clicked cancel. I clicked right to the radio. It wrote to the radio really quickly, and that was my initial experience with the OD Master, and I haven't tried it again yet. But I mean, like, it was pretty simple. I've had more trouble with Chirp in the past than that, so to me, I think like that worked pretty good. Um, so if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. I can't believe I haven't had one. This thing is absolutely the new classic. Everybody needs one of these. It's a little bit more expensive than a UV5R. They're about $30. There is one that's $26. I forget what it doesn't come with. Oh, yeah, it doesn't come with all the antennas. So this one here comes with these antennas. I haven't even tried them yet. VHF airband outdoor antenna. This one says that on it. This one doesn't say anything. These are just TID radio TD771. But what do they sell these things for? $3, $4, or $5, maybe more. Let's just say you got like $3, $6, and the other radio is $26, and this one's $29.99 or something. I mean, you can either order either one. I think this one comes with a USB charger and cord. I think the other one might not come with that. The power block that you get with this is probably not going to be amazing, but I'm absolutely super impressed with this radio, and
welcome.
It just has a nice feel. Now, everybody told me, oh, do you have the Plus? No. You can't find the Plus. I can't find it anywhere. It's got to be probably AliExpress or only. So there is a new one out called the Plus, and it's got possibly some issues, is what I heard. But you can use a headset for Bluetooth. You can use the radio as a speaker, which why would you ever do that? You can use it to make phone calls. Why the hell would you ever do that? And it has a different menu system where things are in groups. So regardless if it's better or not, you can't get it on Amazon or eBay. And I am not ordering from Chinese sellers directly. Sorry, I'm not going to do it. I don't care. I don't want to do it. I don't even want to be supporting these companies at all, really, because, I mean, let's face it, this is the reason why we're in the crap that we're in. But regardless, I try to stay out of the politics and crap like that, because once I get going, I get pissed off. So, I prefer to support Amazon because Amazon has been good to me. I don't care how greedy Jeff Bezos is. I don't care. He can do whatever he wants to do. Nobody has ever offered a service like Amazon offers. Period. You can't order stuff and get it the next day on eBay. And you don't know, I mean, it could take a while. You don't know if the seller on eBay is actually drop shipping, or, I mean, there's just all this crap. So with Amazon, you can read the reviews. There's no reviews. Like, eBay has intentionally hidden that ability so that people can sell questionable crap and nobody can say, hey, this is junk, don't buy it. So what's amazing about Amazon is if this radio sucks, I write a review, you read it and you go, maybe I might want to rethink this. With eBay, there's nothing to do. You're going to have to go read about it on Reddit or something, you know? So I don't really support eBay. If I can't find something, I don't care if it's cheaper on eBay, I won't buy it from there. I will not support eBay. And also now having to re-up my seller stuff on eBay and seeing what they're going to try and take from me, and how they now have all my information, and they've already been hacked a bunch of times. So basically, all of us as eBay sellers are potential waiting ducks for someone to do financial fraud to us. Someone is going to access the database. They're going to have a picture of your face, driver's license, front and back, and your banking, routing information, and all that. And with that, they can do quite a bit of damage if they want to. So, eBay, in my opinion, is going south fast. They need to make some changes. And if you get rid of all the sellers, you will not have an eBay, especially if you lose a lot of the Chinese sellers due to tariffs. So, anyway, I order from Amazon. I don't care what you guys think. I support Amazon. Yes, they're a cutthroat business. So is eBay. And so is AliExpress. And so is Banggood. And you don't know what these companies are doing with your information. There's already lots of rumors about basically, what do you call it? Temu is just basically fishing for everybody's information. And then they're selling it to other Chinese companies. Who in the hell goes on Temu, Ali, or whatever, and gives them your actual debit card information? That's fucking stupid. You gotta be kidding me. Do not do that. I mean, for Christ's sakes, at least use PayPal or some kind of other form of payment. No. And people will just like, they don't think about it. They just get on there and order. But anyway, that's off the topic. I'm just kind of telling you why I like to buy stuff like this on Amazon. So that's my opinion. You might not agree with it, and that's okay. You can make your own video and talk about your opinion. So anyway, I will tell you more in the next video about what we ordered and what we have coming. Stay tuned. Catch you guys later.